India's culture is among the world's oldest, as civilization in India began about 4,500 years ago. Indians made significant advances in architecture, mathematics, and medicine. A vibrant country with rich heritage and beautiful cultures, India is now the second most populous country in the world. Today, India is a very diverse country with more than 1.2 billion people, according to the CIA World Factbook. Different regions have their own distinct cultures. Language, religion, food, and the arts are just some of the various aspects of Indian culture. India is identified as the birthplace of Hinduism and Buddhism, the third and fourth largest religions. The most well-known example of Indian architecture is the Taj Mahal, built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to honor his third wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It combines elements from Islamic, Persian, Ottoman, Turkish, and Indian architectural styles. India also has many ancient temples. India is well known for its film industry, which is often referred to as Bollywood. The country's movie history began in 1896. Today, the films are known for their elaborate singing and dancing. Here are some interesting celebrations and customs of India. Diwali is the largest and most important holiday to India according to National Geographic. It is a 5-day festival known as the Festival of Lights because of the lights lit during the celebration to symbolize the inner light that protects them from spiritual darkness. Some more examples are Eid, Dussehra, and Holi. Kolkata, formerly Calcutta, is the capital city of the West Bengal state of India and the former capital of British India. It is one of India's largest cities and one of its major ports. The city is centered on the east bank of the river Hooghly. A city of commerce, transport, and manufacture, Kolkata is the dominant urban center of eastern India. The city's former name, Calcutta, is an anglicized version of the Bengali name Kalikata. According to some, Kalikata is derived from the Bengali word Kalikshetra, meaning ground of the goddess Kali. In 2001, the government of West Bengal officially changed the name of city to Kolkata. Here are some interesting facts about Kolkata. The Great Banyan Tree in the Botanical Garden in Kolkata is the largest tree in the world in terms of area covered. Kolkata is rightly referred as the cultural capital of India. It is a city that has nurtured the literary and artistic heritage since ages. Kolkata has been coined as a city of furious creative energy. Kolkata is a heaven for foodies and especially for people with a sweet tooth. Fish is an integral component of Bengali cooking. Some famous sweets here are rasgullas and sandesh. You should definitely visit this vibrant and spectacular city. Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay, is the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. According to the United Nations, as of 2018, Mumbai is the most populous city in the country and the 7th most populous city in the world with a population of roughly 20 million. Mumbai lies on the Konkan coast on the west coast of India and has a deep natural harbour. It has the highest number of millionaires and billionaires among all cities in India. Mumbai is home to 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, and the city's distinctive ensemble of Victorian and Art Deco buildings. Mumbai is the financial, commercial, and entertainment capital of India. It is also home to some of India's premier scientific and nuclear institutes. Mumbai is also home to Bollywood and Marathi cinema industries. Mumbai's business opportunities attract migrants from all over India. Cricket is more popular than any other sport in the city. Mumbai has 2 international cricket grounds, the Wankhede Stadium and the Brabourne Stadium. The first cricket test match in India was played in Mumbai at the Bombay Gymkhana. The biggest cricketing event to be staged in the city so far is the final of the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, which was played at the Wankhede Stadium. Chennai, formerly known as Madras, is the capital city of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal, it is one of the largest cultural, economic, and educational centers of South India. Chennai attracts 45% of health tourists visiting India and 30 to 40% of domestic health tourists. As such, it is termed as India's health capital. Chennai has the fifth largest urban economy of India. Known as the gateway to South India, Chennai is a major administrative and cultural center. This city is an ancient metropolis dating back 400 years. One can find history, heritage, art, and architecture everywhere. Beautiful buildings with walls soaked in history, temples, churches, and structures, all monuments to a varied and beautiful heritage. Here are some interesting facts about Chennai. The first city in India to have a vast network of Wi-Fi is none other than Chennai. Do you know where the oldest jail in India is? Well, it is the Chennai Central Prison. Chennai is the only city in India that was attacked during World War I on 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. You would surely love Chennai if you go there. Bengaluru, formerly called Bangalore, is the capital city of the state of Karnataka. The center of India's high-tech industry, the city is also known for its park and wildlife. Bangalore has the title of Silicon Valley of India because of its growing IT sector and startups. Lal Bagh is a popular botanical garden situated in Bengaluru. This garden is a home to a variety of flora and fauna. There are many different kinds of bird species found here, like the myna, parakeets, and pond heron. Lal Bagh Botanical Gardens also has a glass house, an aquarium, and a lake that adds to the already existing beauty of the garden. There are 2 annual flower shows celebrated in the glass house. The largest collection of tropical plants in India is at Lal Bagh. This garden has also promoted and cultivated the concept of horticulture. It is spread over 240 acres and is one of the major tourist attractions in Bangalore. For its beautiful parks and gardens, Bangalore is also called as the Garden City of India. Bangalore is also home to beautiful, majestic monuments and temples. Some famous monuments are the Bangalore Palace, the Tipu Sultan Summer Palace, and the Devanahalli Fort. Make sure to add Bangalore to the list of places you plan to visit. Thank you for watching this video.